Are you tired of having a Webex meeting stuck on your calendar that you can't get rid of? Here's exactly how to cancel it in seconds. I know the feeling. You look at your schedule and there it is, that old meeting you totally don't need anymore, just sitting there, cluttering things up. It's surprisingly annoying, right? Well, we're going to fix that right now. I'll walk you through the simple steps. Open the app, find the meeting, and delete it. Let's get started. First, launch the Webex desktop app. This is the main program you probably use every day for joining calls. Go ahead and open it up. It might take just a moment to load, but once it's open, you'll see your main dashboard. Then, navigate to Meetings. Look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with a few different options. One of them says Meetings. Click on that. This is where all your scheduled events live, both upcoming and past ones. It's the command center for your calendar. Now, find the meeting you want to cancel. You should be looking at a list or a calendar view of all your scheduled Webex sessions. Scroll through until you spot the one that needs to go. Click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected because the Details panel will open up on the right side of the screen. This panel shows you all the info about that specific meeting, like the time, the topic, and who was invited. And here's the really important part. This is where you make the change happen. Next, click the trash bin icon. In that Details panel, look to the upper right corner. You'll see a small trash can icon. Sometimes it's called a delete icon. Go ahead and click it. And I've tested this on the latest version of Webex, and it's always right there in the same spot once the meeting is selected. So you don't have to hunt around for it. If prompted, confirm the deletion. A small pop-up window will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete this meeting. This is just Webex being careful and making sure you don't accidentally remove something important. So click Yes, or Confirm, or whatever the button says. Give it that final OK. And it's gone. Just like that. The meeting will be removed from your Webex calendar, and it is no longer scheduled. The event will disappear from your list and from any attendees' calendars as well, assuming they use Webex too. So you don't have to worry about someone showing up to an empty room. And that is how you cancel a Webex meeting. From being stuck with an unwanted meeting cluttering your view, you can now confidently delete it and clear your schedule. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.